Hello everyone, it's Mr. Entertainment Guy here, and today I'm going through a nature reserve. I do not live in the town where this nature reserve is, just to let you know, and I owe you a big explanation of why I've not uploaded in so long. So I've been very busy lately, and I had to take a break. And I know Sea of Thieves Expedition is on hold. I had to delete my secondary channel, and I apologise for this. But I'm gonna do whatever I can to upload videos. Now, I came from my hometown to come here to film this video for you. I'm sorry you have been waiting for nothing. So I had to delete my second channel. Reason why is because it was too much work, but 2027 I can say, but I can't say for sure that it's going to be a very good year for 2027, because I probably might have a job then. I've been looking for a job and I had to cut YouTube back. Now, Bent's changed his YouTube channel. Don't know if you're all aware, but did I step on something? No. Yeah, he changed his YouTube channel. I will try and leave the link in the description below. That's if I can now. I don't know if I will be able to. I've heard he's been posting videos. Sea of Thieves Expedition episodes will be sorted soon. But I might be on my own for the rest of the season again. I'm sorry guys that I couldn't get Benson any of it. And you won't be able to hear any calls because my other phone broke. So we will have to I have to party chat with Bents if I can find my mic, which also broke. I don't like this. You know what? I'm going back up there. I'm not risking getting stung by nettles. I'm in shorts. And I'm a clumsy person. I'm a clumsy person. I'll just find a perfect spot to film the river and I'll film. Sorry about this guys, it's just I don't want to get stung by nettles today. So as you can see there, I don't know what happened here. I mean, no. I know. Guys, right, sorry about that. Just take a... I don't know when I'll be able to film with friends again. But when I can, I'll let you know. I'm gonna have to pause the recording because there's a lot of people around and I value their privacy. So, okay. I will try and explore this area. Actually, I might not need to check the river. To just walk here instead. That's alright. Sorry guys. I won't fit through that. Is there way down here? There's a bottle cap there. Yeah, I can't fit through that, mate. I can try, but should I? No, because I'll hurt my back while doing so. Because I'll have to bend on my back to go through there, and I already had a sore back once, and I don't want to try and ping you because I don't want to hit my head, because I've recently just had a concussion, which isn't fun. Now, if this was a survival game, people would be using those sticks. Well, I think no, they would just use it as a fire. I think so anyway. I don't really know. I don't really play survival games anymore. I can try and play them again. Look, there's a beer there. There's lots of beers. There's people been littering. I can see what part of the area I can explore. I'm not going to go Riverbend. Instead, I'm just going to catch whatever here because I'm only allowed out for a certain amount of time. Sorry guys, but I'll make it up to you by trying to post a video later or tomorrow. The fuck? Now, there used to be a path here with there's plants, and I don't really know all my plants, so I don't know which ones will sting. And I don't have any boots on or anything, I'm in my shorts. I don't want to get hurt by any plants. I know this video is boring you a lot. I could try go down there and see what's down there. There's a pathway here. But it's not really much a big pathway. I know my videos are shit recently, and I'm sorry. Oh, what's that? Maybe next time I come here I'll wear my boots and that, but yeah, I don't really live around here. I just came from my hometown to visit it because I don't want people to find me. I really don't want to be seen. I'm a private person, you know what I mean, and so I'm not showing my face. I get very uncomfortable with it all. I'm sorry, but I prefer my comfort when it comes to videos. And also there's a lot of AI generation going on, and what is it? There was an app where people made like strange things and it looked very realistic because they managed to remove the watermark. And I don't want to get my face AI'd by someone. I know it sounds paranoid, but I'm a bit. I've probably explained this to you guys a lot. I can't remember. Yeah, that's just practically it here. I know I've not gone further down here, but next time I will go further down here. Would that be? Next time I'll just go further down, but I'll need to wear like trousers or jeans and boots to avoid getting stung. I'm sorry for the disappointment. But I will try and make it up to you by uploading another video today. That's if I can. It might be the backrooms video. Yeah, backrooms sounds good, right? Anyway, guys, take care of yourselves. Mr. Entertainment Guy out.